Good morning on this Thursday, April 21st, my fellow futures traders. The time is 8:36. I haven't started it, letting the NQ just kind of settle down. This is the Ripper X from TrueTrade.io. Turning it on now. It seems to be going up. It's been really moving up at the start of the day here. See how it went all the way up. I don't like to get in on that crazy opener, but it's now 6 minutes in. Seems to be kind of settling down. So let's see what the Ripper can do. Keep my finger on the flat. Looks like oil's moving up pretty good too. It's up over 104.28, 29 cents. Oh, there she pulls back. Gotta love them pullbacks.
Order filled.
Here we go. Let's go down, baby. Here we go.
Order canceled.
There we go. 1,600. I try to make 1,000 a day.
Order canceled.
There, I took my profit. So, let's see what it does again. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it's rewinding. Okay. $900 away.
Order filled.
Here we go again.
Order canceled.
Wow. That was fast.
Order filled.
Let's see what it shakes out to be. I try not to get too greedy. The time is 8:39. We started at 8:36 and the automation took it right to 14.65. Let's see what it says on the strategy performance. Let's make that bigger so you can see it all. There we go. Okay. So we made $1,465. I don't have the commissions in there. Darn it. I'll have to get that in there next. And for the month, you would be doing $44,000. Haven't added that in there yet. Okay. Darn it. All right. Like I said, you can't beat automation. It did it, 1,400. and it hit it both times. It caught it right about 6 minutes after the open. So yeah, I made my 1,000. So there it is. All right, thank you for watching.